This condom is a wallet package. There are 3 pieces in a wallet. It is a rectangular 4 pouch. 48 wallets in a box. 48 boxes in a carton. 1.8 million pieces of condom in a 20-feet container. This condom is dotted pink color condom. Certainly, we can pack other different kind of condom in this kind of wallet. The quality is very good. We produced this condom 7 years before. It is a dotted condom, many small dots on the surface of condom. The quality still very good. If you want to have your brand condom, please contact with us. We promise to give you the best price. If you want to know more about the condom package, please focus us. We would like to introduce more kinds condom to you. Have a nice day.